Okay, so we are currently zoomed in on NAS100, and this is basically the two trades that I had taken here, and these trades were actually from today. So I want to go ahead and talk to you about this wick here before I discuss my trades here, because this wick right here was the whole reason that I entered in the first place. So if I go on to the daily chart and we look at the wick there, blah blah blah, not the wick but this, weekly. Alright, here's what I want to show you guys. So I noticed on NAS100 that today there was a weekly order block, which was right there exactly. And this wick, the current moment, it tapped into this weekly order block. And as you may know, NAS has been on the uptrend for tons and tons of days. NAS just goes up and up and up. And because I saw that weekly order block, I was thinking, maybe that plus the news, maybe it's tapping into that and it's about to become bullish. So I went on the daily. There was a wick there. Now it's not. 4 hour. And I saw that little wick right there. And that was letting me know that smart money was tapping in to that point of interest, my POI. POI means your point of interest. And in our group, the only points of interest that we're interested in taking trades are order blocks and gaps, the fair value gaps, imbalance gaps. That's basically what we trade. So, after I noticed that we were on the long term, we were in an up structure. We had a higher high, higher low. We were on the long term, we're bullish, and because of that, that not only supports the order block that I saw, but we go here. After I saw that wick, there was actually, if you see that gray box, there was actually a gap right there on the 1 minute chart. And yes, I took it on the 1 minute chart. I didn't actually take it. I entered here, but this came down and hit this gap. So I wanted to let you guys know so you can guys actually see the gap. But yeah, guys, so it tapped into that gap, it went up, broke that structure, and it kept going up into my take profit. Then it went down again, and then I noticed that it kept going up, and then there was more volume. There was more volume that didn't decrease, and it just kept going up. So there was more bullish volume on all these higher time frames. So I saw this little gap here, second big giant gap on the 5 and a 15-minute chart. And I entered there, and my take profit was up here towards this gap. And I usually trade NAS once a day, but this time I got in twice because there was enough room, plus there was enough volume and volatility. That trade you guys see up there was from a while ago. This was from like, not a while ago. This was like this is actually this week. This was like, I think this was actually the day before yesterday. I don't even remember because I'm just so focused on other pairs. But I usually will take the next high as my take profit or the gap. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I had NAS was bullish on the higher time frame and all because I had market structure. I had bullish market structure. I had a higher high. I had a higher low, lower lows, and higher highs showing that we're bullish in the long term. And so that's pretty much why I bought. And I actually got in at a discount technically because the area that I entered here, this would be considered the discount level. Because if you're buying low, you're buying at a discount price. And if you're selling high, you're selling at a premium price. And so yeah, guys, that was pretty much it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to be making some more videos. Today's Friday. This is pretty much the only trade I have set up for today. These two trades on NAS, and that's pretty much it. We only trade gaps and order blocks. I'm looking at this trade actually now because I just noticed on the 1 hour that Swiss franc actually broke this liquidity that I have. It broke the X liquidity, and I'm actually expecting it to come down to this level here after breaking this. And I'm actually about to enter. It just broke the trend. I'm actually about to enter on this gap right here, because you see here we had a break of structure right here. This low is a new low that broke the structure today from the news because we had US dollar news. And so here's another tip, guys. After every news event, there is always a correction. After every news event, there is always a correction. But yeah, guys, I'm about to enter this trade. I'll post it on Instagram. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and peace.